Hi friends, welcome to Happy to Help. So this is one of the good concept. Okay, this is joining package is 100 rupees only, and this company benefit I like to introduce. In this concept there is no referral. It is auto filling concept. It's not like other growth. No growth, no matrix. Okay, so rebirth ID will be created automatically around 40 IDs. There are 6 stages. So in these 6 stages, your rebirth ID will be generated 40 times. Okay. So for one cycle, that means if you complete 6 stages, you will be getting total profit 10,000 rupees. So this is only a small amount, 100 rupees, and small income also. Because in this company, like other company, we cannot say that you will get a lakh crore and all. This is genuine. If you invest 100 rupees, you can see the profit of 10,000. Okay, and these are the advantages. And another thing in auto filling concept and also helping concept, many have been failed. So even I also lost lot of money. But in this company, happy to help, they have made a software that is working to the top to bottom. For example, if I am joining after 1 or 2 months also, I will be getting a link through rebirth ID. So through rebirth ID, I am getting a link automatically. If the members are not added also, this rebirth ID is boosting the lost person. So that lost person, when he gets, he will upgrade to the top person who is in seniority. So really it's very good. So nobody can lose this 100 rupees. And another thing, first stage itself you can take back your 100 rupees. Okay friends. Okay. Next, coming to the stages, how it works, just I want to explain. In the first stage, first you have to provide help 100 rupees and activate your ID. Later you will get two link, 100 plus 100. That 200 you should upgrade. As soon as you get this 200 two link, you must upgrade it, because if you delay, the below person upgrade means your seniority will come down, he will go up. So this is my humble request. Please, as soon as you get two link, you please upgrade it so that you will not miss your seniority. Then third link, you will get 100 rupees. For that, one rebirth ID is created. Then fourth link, 100 rupees is your profit. Same vice versa, second stage. You have upgraded 200 for your second stage so that you will get 800. In 800, you will get two link, okay, 200, 200, 400, that you have to upgrade. Then again 200 rupees third link you will get, 2 ID, rebirth ID generated. Then again fourth link 200 is your profit. So same like this, 1 to 6 stages will be going on. Okay. And regarding the rebirth ID, for example, if you complete up to 6th level, your 40 ID will be regenerated, and that rebirth ID also same procedure. So in this main mother ID you are getting 10,000. So same 40 rebirth ID also you will be getting each 10,000. So that 4 lakh rupees. Okay. So please cooperate, join this, take this opportunity. At least we don't want 50,000 lakh or crore, just 10,000. This is not having a days like daily 100 you referral, all this nothing. Just you join, upgrade, rebirth ID, take your profit. That's all. Okay, my dear friends. And another thing, provide help and upgrade. The ID is valued for only 6 hours, because within 6 hours if you are not upgrade or not sent a provide help, then your ID will be automatically blocked by the system. For example, if I am joined and I am in the fourth position, fourth stage, my rebirth ID around 10 is created. If I delay in this upgrade, then my ID will be blocked, and even that rebirth 10 ID also will be blocked automatically. So take care and cooperate with the company. And another thing, this company is from Tamil Nadu. It is from Nagapattanam, and sponsor income. Okay, because many are asking there is no referral, then what is sponsor income? Yes, no referral, correct. But I like to work, and even some people are like to work. So who like to work, the company is giving advantages, and they are giving extra 2500. That is the sponsor income. You can see in the chart. So step by step chart is going on sliding. So you can verify that. My WhatsApp number is given. You can WhatsApp me, and any doubts you can ask me. Okay. The sponsor income. Sponsor income is nothing but referral income or working income. Now some people are liking to work. If they are getting around 2%, they need some extra income, so that 2500 per ID in the sixth stage they have kept, because in the sixth stage there is no upgrade. Okay friends, so if I am getting a 2% referred from each person, when he reaches a sixth stage he will pay to the sponsor. If you are joining in my link, so I am your sponsor. So at the sixth stage when you are going, you will pay me 2500. So you will be getting 10,000, I will be getting 12,500. Very simple. Referral is not required. If some people like to earn extra, they can do it. This is not a compulsory. Okay? Because many are having these doubts, so I am clarifying it. Okay friends, if any other doubts is there, please WhatsApp me. Thank you. Let us, because now due to corona, many people have lost their jobs, so all are looking for online income. Please make use of this opportunity. Admin is very good and company software is super, so all can join and enjoy your life. One more request, please take care of your health due to COVID. Take care mask as well as sanitize your hands. Thank you. God bless you.